to the next one. Data analysis tools. Data analysis tools helps users to analyze, to visualize, and to interpret data to gain insight and make data-driven decisions. It enables users to analyze, visualize, and interpret data. And when we talk about data, it could be your, maybe, let's say, Nigerian government now. You know this thing they do called census. With data analysis tools, they can be able to do what? To analyze and to know the number of female we have in Nigeria, number of female aged 10 to 20 in Nigeria, number of male in Nigeria, number of male and female who are working class people. This is what data analysis helps you to achieve. You are able to do or make data-driven decisions with all of these tools. They offer features for data manipulation, visualization, and statistical analysis. You can get your statistics using these tools. Okay, in the last 1 year, what are the number of children, newborns that we've had in Nigeria or in general hospitals in Lagos? This is what data is all about. So you can make what? Statistical analysis. Users can import, clean, and transform data. You can create interactive visualizations and generate reports to communicate their findings effectively. So it is not yet a data except there is a finding. Okay, so when you bring together all your findings, data analysis brings everything together. I'm sorry, what is Olivia saying? Okay, what did you miss, Olivia?
I don't know.
Where did you stop hearing of?
When you were at the, I think it was the one before this, the collaboration tools.
All right. I think we already explained that. That is even self-explanatory, okay? Or better still, you can watch the recap, okay? Because we need to move really fast now. Thank you so much. Okay, so I said examples of data analysis tools include Excel and we have Tableau. So all of these things help you to bring your findings together, and it makes it more, how am I going to put it now? You are able to visualize everything that you have in your findings. Okay, and then when you discover what it is you want to discover, you are able to make data-driven decisions. So let me take, say, for example, maybe the government wants to detect the amount or what the number of infant mortality we have in Lagos State. Okay, with this idea, with these tools, when they go around the hospitals and they get all of the data together. Oh, in so hospital, this is the number of infant mortality recorded. In this hospital, this is the number of infant mortality recorded. Okay, so when they bring all of these things together, they place them on these tools, and with that they're able to make decisions. They'll say, okay, what can we do to reduce this number? What can we do to reduce this figure? Because we want our babies to live. Okay, so that is what data analysis tools helps you to achieve. Yes, let's move on quickly to the next one. Somebody said, I think I saw some comments here. Yeah, Google Sheets, excellent. Google Sheets license, yeah, yes. Thank you so much for that. The next one is what? Digital art and design tools. How many of us love designing here? How many of us love designing?
Me.
You love design? Yes, great. Yeah, excellent. Yeah, I love that. Okay, let's move on quickly. These are some of the design tools that we have. Design tools help you to facilitate the creation of visual assets such as graphics, illustrations, and user interfaces. Okay, all of these design tools help you to, it's not enough for you to have the picture of what you want in your head. You need to be able to do what? To put them down. And the only thing that can help you to do what? To see it, that makes it visible to you, is what? These design tools. So it helps in the creation of visual assets like graphics, illustrations, user interfaces, you want to develop a website maybe for your business or for something, you can use this this design tools to achieve that. Design tools offer features for designing, prototyping, and iterating on designs, including drawing tools, layer management, and asset libraries. Users can create professional quality designs for various purposes. There are so many things that you can use your designs for, okay? Various purposes. You can use it for branding, you can use it for marketing, you can use it for web and application design, different things that you use your design tools to do. And some of the examples of these design tools are Adobe Creative Suite, we have Figma, we have InVision, we have Sketch, we have Canva, which you have already worked on, and we have Tinkercad. All of these tools, I want you to take time to check them out, okay? I'm not listing them just because I want you to know. I want you to explore all of these tools. For those of you who mentioned that you love designing, please ensure, yes, thank you, Corel Draw, excellent. These are just few of the examples. There are different ones you can actually apply depending on what you intend to achieve, okay? And depending on what? On the functionalities, okay? So depending on what? On the functionalities and what you intend to achieve. So all of these are design tools. They help you to draw user interfaces and all of that. Let's move on quickly to the next one. Photo and video editing tools. Photo and video editing tools. Photo and video editing tools are essential for professionals and enthusiasts alike in the fields of photography, videography, graphic design, and digital content creation. How many of us want to be content creators here?
Me.
How many of us want to be content? Okay, what's your specialty?
Me.
What kind of content do you create?
Me.
Can you type in the chat box? I don't want us to speak. Just type in the chat box. I'll be reading your comments. Type in the chat box. If you want to be a content creator, educational, excellent, educational content. On what field? Adebola, what field are you looking into? We know it's educational, but what field exactly? Who else wants to be a content creator? Excellent, science, amazing. Creating and editing video like vlogs, yes. All right, so we're going to have something like a day in the life of Olivia. All right, Michelle, you want to say science?
Yes,
okay. Excellent. All right, you guys have spoken well. So some of the tools that you can engage are Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Lightroom, GIMP, that is GNU Image Manipulation Program, Affinity Photo, Pixlr, and Snapseed. These are just some few examples of photo editing tools. So you want to edit your pictures, Pro, Final Cut Pro, X, we have DaVinci Resolve, we have iMovie, we have Shortcut, and we have CapCut. All right, thank you. I see someone mentioned Pixel Lab. Yes, these are some of the examples of tools that you can engage. But majorly, I think for videos, most people use Snapseed. So you can just also try engage other tools and you pick the one that works best for you. Okay, let's move on quickly to the next one. Learning platforms and, oh, Anifa. Okay, I'm going to address that. Okay, so learning platforms and learning platforms and online courses. Come in a minute, please. Learning platforms and online courses. These platforms offer free online courses, lessons, and practice exercises in various subjects, including math. So for Adebola that wants to go into the field of science, you can engage some of these platforms to be able to learn some certain things that will help you in that field. Okay, including math, science, computer programming, just name it. Some of these platforms also provide online certificates. There are some that offers free certificates online, and degree programs from top universities and institutions worldwide. They usually have thousands of courses covering a wide range of topics. So there is barely anything you want to learn online that you cannot find on some of these learning platforms. Okay, so you need to do what? You need to check them out. Sorry, can you mute your mic? Hello? Okay, great, thank you. So examples of these learning platforms and online courses are Khan Academy, we have Coursera. These are popular ones that you can check out. We have Coursera, we have Alison, we have Udemy. Can somebody, yes, Cooks. Yes, thank you so much. Yeah. Yeah, EduBlocks, yes. Moodle, yes. Can we have more examples? Can we have more examples? Can we have more examples? IXL, Coursera, yes, I already mentioned Coursera. So we have ALX, different platforms where you can learn online. So I don't want you to limit yourselves to, oh, I don't have anybody to teach me. You know, that's the excuse so many people give today. I don't have anybody to help me. I don't have anybody to support me. I don't have anybody to teach me. Thinkific, yes. YouLesson, yes. So you need to do what? You need to engage some of these platforms. You see, there's nothing you want to learn that you don't get to see online these days. Thanks to tech. With the world of tech, with technology, you can do what? You can learn anything, whatever it is you want to learn online. Okay, let's move on quickly. Best practices. Best practices. To maximize the benefits of the personal and digital tools that I've shared with you, you need to consider the following best practices. And when I talk about best practices, number one, you need to regularly access and update your personal toolkit. Yes, Duolingo. Yeah, I remember Duolingo. If you want to learn any language, you can use Duolingo. Yeah. So you need to regularly access and update your personal toolkit. Remember what I said. If this particular tool that you've known how to use for years is no longer serving you, you need to update your toolkit. If you see that, oh, you are lacking in the area of time management, you need to try to do what to improve. All right. Yes. So you need to regularly assess, check, oh, is this thing working for me? This tool, is it still serving me? Okay. The way I'm designing my website, is it still working for me? So you need to check it out. We're speaking. Can you mute your mic, please? So you need to do a regularly assess and update your personal toolkit. The next one is to experiment with different digital tools to find the ones that best suit your needs. Experiment with different digital tools. I'm giving us different digital tools based on different words of tech. We're speaking. Can you please mute your mic? You're distracting me. Okay, thank you. So experiment with different digital tools depending on the area you spend on. Experiment, find the ones that best suit your needs. The next one is to stay organized and maintain a balance between personal and digital tools. It's not enough for you to have the skills to say, oh, I can develop a website in 30 minutes. I can do this, I can do that. There needs to be a balance between what's your personal tools including critical thinking, including problem solving, including time management. You need to be able to strike a balance between both your personal tools and your digital tools. Ensure that it is well balanced. It is not, you are no more on this side than the other. Okay. And the next one is continuously seek opportunities for growth and improvement. And these are some of the few things I want you to take note of. Try, endeavor to take courses. I already mentioned some platforms where you can take free courses. Endeavor to do what? To take courses. Also try to do what? Collaborate with other tech experts. So you see that there's somebody that is so good in this world of tech. You can reach out to them. Oh, I'm a beginner, I'm a learner, I'm just learning this thing, and I'll need your help. Okay? And before you reach out to them, ensure that you already have something, a little bit at least, something going on for yourself, okay? Before you reach out to them, a little stuff going on for yourself. So maybe you already have an idea of, okay, how to build a website, but you want to be able to build a kind of top-notch website, and you have somebody in your corner who is excellent at it. The best thing you need to do is to collaborate with them. Or you are developing something and you encounter a particular problem. What do? Reach out to them. Oh, I need your help in this particular area. And they'll be more than willing to help you. So slide, can you just tell me all that you learned from this session in the chat box? I want you to list the personal tools and the digital tools I mentioned.